Hello, class. What I'm wanting you to do today is I want you to start on the back side of this sheet, and I want you to draw a 5/8 line. Now, how do you do that? Well, first you're going to want to make a mark, and 5/8 of an inch is less than an inch. So here it says that's equal to 10 feet. Now, what's nice about the scale that you're using, which is 16 to 1, 16 feet is equal to an inch, every one of these little marks on this ruler is 1 foot. So 5/8 of an inch would be 10/16 of an inch, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a little bitty V mark. That's what carpenters will do. And that is 5/8 of an inch. Now, where we use that is on this side. You're going to measure 5/8 of an inch right here and make a mark up from this line here. And you're going to measure it again and make a mark again, 5/8 of an inch up and make a mark. Now, so you've got those two little bitty arrows. You line up your arrows, and that becomes your property setback. Now, you do the same thing on this lower line. Now, this one's a little trickier for a lot of people for some reason. So I'll measure up 5/8 of an inch here. I'll measure it over here again at 5/8 of an inch up from this line at the bottom, up. So 5/8 of an inch here. Now, it's a little bit off. And that would be the bottom one. And you do the same on this one. Now, on this other side again, let's measure 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches is 1 inch, and 1/2 inches here. So that is 1.5 inches, which is equal to 24 feet, which is the same as 24 over 18, which is equal to 1 8/16. 1/2. All right. Now, we'll do that. And this one's a little trickier. You'd want to make your 1.5 here, mark it over here. Then you'll want to make a 1.5 mark over here. Then out here in the middle, you're going to want to measure down 1.5 again, put a dot, 1.5 again, put a dot, and one more time, you get 3 dots. Now, when you do this one, you're just going to want to sketch it until you have what is called, this is the road setback. Now what you need to do is look at your lot. Up here, you're going to want to write high. That's the highest point on your lot. Down here is the lowest point on your lot. Medium low here. Medium plane here. So now high, medium, medium low, low. Boom. This area here is probably where you're going to want your drain field. Here is where you're going to want your house. Now, turn the back of the sheet over, and I want you to draw 1 7/8 by 2 3/8. So how do we do that? Well, we'll start right here at 1 7/8. So I'm going to make a mark right here. So there's 1 inch. 7/8 is the same as 14/16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And there's this one. Now I'm going to put the line in. Now I'm going to measure down 2 3/8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 3/8. Now measure over 1 7/8. Measure up. this rectangle right here, which is 30 this direction by 40 this direction, 1 7/8, 2 3/8, that would fit very nicely on this map. So I'm going to put it right down here. I think it'll fit. I want it even to this line. So I got 1 7/8. Now I've got this one. I want to go 2 3/8. 1, 2 3/8. And now I want to measure up from this. 1 7/8 again. 1 7/8. And now I have my first drain field in the lowest part of the thing. And this is 40 this direction by 30 this direction, 2 3/8 inches by 1 7/8 inches, DR number 1. Now I can get another one in here, and this is, right at 4 inches. So I got to go to the other side of the sheet and read through here. So this one's 5 inches, 7.5, 3 3/4. That's the one I think I'm going to use, which is a 20 by 60. So if you want to draw it here and see what it is, you could. But I'm just going to turn the page over, and I'm going to put my 3 3/4 one right down here on the bottom. So 3 3/4 right here. That's the end. It needs to go up 1 1/4 up. And 1 1/4 up here. Now there's drain field number 2. Yeah, hold your ruler straighter. Okay, so there's drain field number 2. So it's 60 by 20, 3 3/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. That'd be DR number 2. That is all.